Hey everyone, it's Mark, and today's video comes from the channel Florida Man Police Body Cams. A link to their video and channel is in the description. Today we're taking a look at a sovereign citizen who was pulled over for driving with a fake license plate, and she claims to have her credentures, but she goes to jail anyway. Let's roll the video!
How you doing? So I'm Deputy Gardner with the Sheriff's Office. The reason I'm pulling you over is your tag. That's not a Florida tag at all.
It's a DOT number.
DOT.
Traveling.
Do you happen to have a license?
No, I have a passport for traveling.
Do me a favor and turn the vehicle off.
I'm still T-Mobile. What else you need?
The registration and insurance of the vehicle?
Can I step out?
No.
What's in the trunk right there?
Okay, well, we're going to leave it there then. I need whatever that is.
My passport for traveling. It's a DOT number. Hello?
Do you have any type of actual identification issued from a state?
That's it, from the state. You're
No.
Secretary of State, sir.
Okay. From a state, an actual state, not Secretary of State.
Hello?
Florida, New York, Georgia, Alabama, Mexico.
I don't have a driver's license. I have a traveling credentials.
If you can't pronounce basic words like credentials correctly, you really shouldn't be doing this sovereign citizen stuff. It's just a recipe for disaster.
Do you have a license in any state? How about that?
No, I don't, sir.
Okay.
I was trying to get into my T-bike out. Slowing down.
You in the passenger seat. Do you happen to have a license at all?
No, I'm just saying. I got ID.
You had ID?
Yeah, you want to see it?
Yeah.
Well, I went to the hospital, so here. Hold on, Mr. T-Mobile, man. I mean, Apple.
Do you have anything with the information for this vehicle?
Yes, I do. Can I step out and get it?
No, I'm gonna wait till my second unit gets here.
It's in that trunk. It's in a box right there in a folder with the credentials, my DOT number, the registration.
Okay. Where'd you get it registered at?
What do you mean get it registered?
Where'd you get the vehicle registered at?
It's connected to my DOT number.
Okay. Yeah, that's not an actual tag issued by the state.
Yeah, but
It's issued by the DOT,
DOT where?
the Department of DOT.
Department of Dot? You clearly have no idea what you're talking about. It would be cheaper for you to get a license, registration, insurance, and a proper license plate instead of reciting the sovereign citizen script, getting arrested, and paying fees and fines in court.
United States DOT. If you get me, let me get the paperwork. It's right there. I can give it to you.
There's no actual Department of DOT. There's DOT
Yes,
for
it is.
states.
And
So-
it's for non-traveling, for travelers.
Again, that is not an actual license plate issued by any state.
It's, I'm a traveler, sir. I have a traveler's credential. That's it right
This
there.
is not a traveler's credential. Like, I want you to understand that. Like, I want you to fully understand that.
If you run it, it is, sir.
Okay. All right, what you're gonna do is stay in the vehicle, and then when I get my secondary unit here, we'll go from there. Stay in the vehicle for me too, all right?
I'm not
What'd she say?
She's traveling.
She have an ID? She have an ID and all that?
Something that says she's a passport for traveling.
Okay, that's good.
You're-
I know where this is going.
Bro, she's revoked from 97.
You heard that correctly. Her driver's license has been revoked since 1997. No wonder why she fell down this sovereign citizen rabbit hole. She's had 28 years to fix this problem with her license, but chose to ignore it and went down the sovereign citizen path instead.
How you doing today?
I'm fine.
I've never seen a tag like that before.
I'm a traveler. I got a DOT number
I
to
got
be
you.
able to travel. with my credentials.
I got you. What credentials? The ones that you gave him?
Yes.
Oh, what was it? A passport, I think.
It's a passport. It's a 5-star passport that I got from the Secretary of State.
Okay.
I have my paperwork back there, but he told me not to get out.
Yeah, that's just a safety issue. That's all.
But I'm traveling on my credentials. That's it.
I
I was given that by the DOT, United States DOT.
They gave you that tag and all that? The tag and the passport?
No, the Secretary of State gave me that.
Okay.
I got it from the Secretary of State. Had to send my. I'm a state national. I'm not a U.S. citizen.
What does that mean? I'm not familiar with that. I'm sorry.
Well, a state national.
Yeah.
Which means I have sovereign immunity. Bird, you gonna have to get out and talk, or let me because I can't both of us. So I have a DOT number to be able to travel.
Oh, I gotcha.
From the Department of Transportation. The car is in my name, and I have my DOT credentials in the back, in that box. I mean, I'm a traveler.
Where's your driver's license?
I don't have a driver's license. In the state of Florida, you don't need a driver's license. I'm just traveling.
Yes, you do.
You have the right to travel. However, driving is a privilege, not a right. If you're gonna drive on a public roadway, you're required by law to have a driver's license.
Well, I'm traveling. I was giving my DOT number.
Let me ask you this: when you move the shifter on your vehicle, so you can go forward, what do you put it in? What letter?
What you mean, what letter?
What letter on your dashboard does it say, or on your shifter?
D.
Okay, what does that stand for?
A lot of stuff. What do you mean?
Okay, what does the D on your shifter stand for?
Driving. I'm
Exactly.
traveling in my automobile.
You are
though.
driving.
Perfectly handled by this officer. More officers should ask these sovereign citizens that same exact question. It debunks their entire argument. You put the shifter into drive. There's no such gear as travel.
But I'm a traveler.
Okay. Here in the state of Florida, you are required to have a driver's license, a valid driver's license, in order to operate a motor vehicle. Okay?
And I got a traveling credentials though.
Miss Bruton, can you do me a favor? Can you step out of the vehicle?
Yes, I will.
All right.
Here, come on up. Come on.
All right. Come over here. Do me a favor?
Can I get you my credentials before y'all arrest me? Because I'm a traveler. I'm not.
We'll get them
I'm
for you.
not. Why are you arresting me when I'm traveling in my
Right now, you're being detained
for traveling in my automobile?
for driving on a suspended license. Or, excuse me, a revoked license.
I don't have a
and
license.
operating a unregistered motor vehicle.
When you were originally issued a Florida license, way back when, it's been revoked.
Yes, but I don't have that. I have a traveling credentials now, sir.
Right, but that doesn't go away. So that's illegal. That's illegal. That you can't drive on a revoked
I'm not a
license.
U.S. citizen. I'm a state national. I've been correcting my political status. I'm not a U.S. citizen.
Even if you weren't a citizen, which I believe you are, you would still be required to have a driver's license while operating a motor vehicle on a public roadway in the United States.
When you were one, though, it still stands.
But that's not me. I'm a...
Yeah,
okay,
all right.
come on. Whatever we're doing.
Yes, ma'am. All right, thank you.
So listen.
That doesn't,
What?
that doesn't
Yeah.
hold any weight in
Yeah, my
any
phone.
state of this country.
Why when they gave me the papers? I have the paperwork. Can you just look at my paperwork? Y'all not gonna do none of that?
Well, we got the paperwork for the car, and it comes back to you. Like I said, it pulls you up, and that doesn't go away. And you're revoked in the state of Florida, so you can't drive.
But I'm
So
a traveler. I'm not. I don't have a
travel-
license
And we
anymore. Okay,
understand
okay.
Well, now you can travel directly to jail.
Unfortunately, that's all-
something that you're going to have to argue with the courts.
Again.
Have you been arrested for this before?
Yes, but they keep letting me go. You arrest me and they take me to jail, and the judge let me go
What did the judge say?
because I.
It literally says, like, if she's the owner of the vehicle, is getting towed by Florida.
Yeah.
You gonna tow it?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
immediately.
Like,
Expeditiously.
like the tow truck is on the
Have
way.
we identified that person?
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it.
She's calling her ride.
All right, let her know she needs to exit the vehicle.
Okay.
She can stand on the sidewalk
Uh,
as long as
she may not be able to, but
she can sit on the curb.
If anything on you, it's gonna poke, so you cut me. All right, so I'm gonna use the back of my hand to go through your pockets, okay? What's in this pocket up here? Anything? There's something.
Ain't nothing in there, sweetie.
Okay.
Go ahead, look.
Sorry.
Ms. Bruton, I want to thank you for being compliant to this whole experience. Okay? So, I thank you. I appreciate it.
Ain't you a peace officer though? But I mean, you're not gonna take my credentials that I got from the state.
Like I explained to you, okay? That whole traveler thing, that doesn't apply.
What you mean it don't apply?
That doesn't exist.
What do you mean it don't
That's
exist when it
a
comes
figment
from
of your guys' imagination.
of our imagination?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All right?
This officer is exactly right. The sovereign citizen movement is nothing but imagination. It has no validation or legitimacy in the real world. She has the right to believe in whatever she wants, but the rest of us live in reality and don't have to subscribe to her delusions.
Yeah. So look. Sorry.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna go with the back of my hand around your bra to make sure there's nothing there, okay?
Go ahead, sweetie.
So, like I was explaining,
Let's talk one more time.
here in the state of Florida, in order to operate a motor vehicle, you are required by law to have and maintain a valid driver's license. Okay? You cannot drive any vehicle unless you have a valid driver's license.
Okay.
You do not have a valid driver's license. On top of that, that tag is not a valid tag. You need a tag issued by the Department of Motor Vehicles and Highway Safety here in the state of Florida. Or any state.
That comes from the Department of Traveling.
There's no Department of Travel.
Yes, it is. This is the U.S. DOT.
Yeah,
Yes,
Department of
is.
Transportation.
It's
That's
the
not
Department of Traveling and
They don't issue tags. Okay? Go ahead, take a seat.
I've done bracelets.
You want to take them off?
With the bracelets?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Let's take these
Drop
off.
those inside in that hat.
So that way we don't lose them. They don't get broken.
Just
No, I almost slipped.
All right. No worries. No worries. I'm gonna try and get this one off of you.
same thing next time, okay?
This may hurt. We can leave the watch on.
Yeah, I'll leave the watch.
It ain't a watch. It's just a magnetic bracelet.
Well, they'll take it off at the jail.
You're gonna face the car real quick, okay? I gotta do it opposite.
Yeah, they're not comfortable.
Just a little bit.
I mean, yeah.
Leave your hands up just a little bit, okay? What you're gonna do? You're gonna hop in the car for me, okay? Yeah, I saw that tag and I was like, you gotta be. What is this shit reading? And it says Florida at the top too. Oh no, it's coming off. It's coming off the car.
Did we run the VIN?
Yeah, I ran the VIN. Okay. She comes back to her. She's all real.
Okay.
She was arrested for driving with a suspended license and the vehicle was towed. If her license never got suspended in the first place, perhaps she never would have went down this sovereign citizen path. However, after 28 years, I would consider her a true believer in the sovereign citizen movement, and it's highly unlikely she'll realize the sovereign citizen movement is nothing but a costly scam. As always, I would like to give a big shout out and thank you to all of my channel members for your support. I really appreciate all of your support and all of you are awesome. And that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.